So, I haven't disappeared, and welcome back. So guys, this is not my aluminium bed. I've been cutting this down all day today. I've been practicing my welding skills, and that was not successful. Trust me. Let me show you. Let me just show you this. Look at that. All that. It stuck proper. Like what happened, every time I touched the rod, and I did glass it or sand it down or whatever, every time I touched it, it got stuck and it gets like clink it off. It just wouldn't, I couldn't get the rib to go along with it. And apparently, I bought Chinese rods from China to be honest. I bought like 40 for about $3.99. It might be the rods, it might be me. But I set it to 40 amps and I set it to 80 amps. I even done it to 200 amps and I've still got the same results. But I've been doing about 6 hours of research on aluminium, and a lot of people say aluminium metal is one of the hardest metals to weld at. I'm not sure if that's true. Obviously I'm not no expert on welding, but I found out another way of sticking this together, and it looks so clean and it looks so easy, no smell. Basically it's with a blowtorch, and all you do, you put the shape what you want. This is a 90 degrees corner bracket. So obviously you put it together like so, you clamp them down, and obviously you get something like that. And then all you do, you blow torch the end, so 730 degrees I think it was, 730 degrees, obviously you've got to use one of those wire brush or sandpaper, and then you get to 730 degrees and you just work your rod inside, and it just, all the material just soaks through the gaps. But what I will be doing, because I've seen another guy on YouTube, he actually welded it together like that, and then it gets weight on the side, obviously, and I think he got to about 120 kilos, and then it snaps. So what I will be doing, I'll be welding it like that, and then I'll be putting a corner in it as well. But obviously it's going to be attached to another corner, so it will hold more than 120 kilos weight. I just want to put extra because obviously I'm going to be putting seat belts on this. And the reason I'm putting seat belts on this, you can't install seat belts on wood apparently. That's what the MOT garage told me. And I want to be able to travel with kids or passengers in the back of my van safely. So I got rid of the big chair now, that's out of there. I've got so much room in the van, it's unbelievable. And now I've decided to make the kitchen out of aluminium. I might even dismantle the shower area and make that aluminium as well, because it's 10 times lighter, and my van is going to be so light. And the metal I've got upstairs is so light, it is really, really light. And I've got a good supply on eBay. He sells 1 metre on eBay. This one cost about nearly £8. It seems a lot, right? But if you go direct, he will give you a 6 metre rod, that thick, for £8, nearly £9 with the VAT and the delivery. So basically, technically, all my bed and frame has nearly cost me £150. I contacted a guy who actually builds beds, custom beds and stuff, and he wanted $2,600 to do this bed what I'm going to build myself. Plus, it wasn't aluminium, it was steel. And that would have been heavy because I had a rock and roll bed, and my rock and roll bed was like 120 kilos, and they're heavy, you know what I mean? And that's a lot of weight really, 120 kilos, and that's just the frame. So this is going to be really, really light, it's really strong. I've upgraded some of the rods. I will show you that in my next video because I'll be working on the bed tomorrow. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's got a hole in it, so this is just a tube with a hollow hole inside it. So I've upgraded this one to solid. The reason is, this is my 2 foot, and 4 foot of the bed will be sliding out to another about 4.5 foot. So it makes it just a bit bigger than the double bed, and it goes back in. That's my idea of doing it. So yeah, a few more things. Obviously, as I said, I'm going to upgrade the kitchen area to aluminium, and I'm looking at a cubic. What's it called? A mini cubic wood stove. The reason I'm looking at the cubic wooden stove, I missed my log burner to be honest. One, I mean, you're out camping, you find a lot of wood. I don't need to use this diesel heater. I've got 3 main sources of heat: a diesel heater, my Mr. Buddy, and my log burner when I buy it. And the cubic it's not bad. I've been doing a lot of research on that as well. In really cold weathers, every hour they say you have to top it up with wood. In weathers like we got now, obviously it's snowing now, but it was -5 in it. Sorry, it was 5 degrees in it, not minus. But now it's nearly 15 degrees in it. And obviously I just switched that diesel heater on just to do this video basically, because obviously I haven't done no videos. I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing. Then my next video, I'll be showing you what I've cut, the size of what I've cut if you want to copy that design, and the size of the metal, and I will leave the suppliers eBay link in there so you can order from him. It's really cheap. When you order, don't order them in small pieces. You contact him first and pay him through PayPal direct. Don't pay him through eBay, because if you bought this on eBay, it'll cost you 400 quid in aluminium metal. Yeah, it will cost you 400 quid, but you won't regret it. I'm telling you now, this stuff here is really strong. I've been bending it to see how much strength it can take. The only thing is the welding. So my next video, I'm going to keep you updated. I've got some tips, because everyone on YouTube is doing it a different way. Some people, as I said, I found a guy who's done I think 120 kilos and it snaps. Some people, they use a devil, what's it called? The devil, I can't remember what it's called, but it's a devil aluminium rod. It's got a name, devil C something. I've got that. I've just ordered 3 sticks for £8. I don't know how many joints I will get on them 3 sticks, but when you weld it with that stuff, apparently it will bend the material before it breaks or gives way. It won't give way basically, and people's been doing it with pliers, hammers, and they cannot break the joint. So that's the stuff I bought, and I will be testing it as well. I'll be trying to bend it. If I can't bend it, I won't put the L brackets in, if that makes sense. But because it's so light, I might just add them on it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I've got lots of different things. Obviously I've got loads of these corner brackets, I've got clamps, and I'm going to take my time. So it might take me 6 hours to do the 2 tops. Yeah, about 6 hours. I'm going to leave it to go solid, and then I might even, try to make it even stronger basically. But it is strong. Just look it up on YouTube and you'll see all different people doing different varies of ways, and I found a really good way, and I think this way is going to be really strong on my joints and stuff like that. But we will see. But yeah guys, that's that. Just can't wait to start the project now. I'm still cutting down a few bits of these metal. Just came in here to work out, because obviously I've got the footwell. The footwell here, and the bed will slide out about here. And then I'm going to have the kitchen here, and it's going to be two foot from here, so the kitchen will be up to here, like so. So I want the log burner to be about here, and I'm going to block that off and shield all that up with metal. That's my plan. Obviously I've got to get the bed in first to work out where, I don't want to block off the window, because I've got a window in there for the cooking and stuff like that, and add a little bit of a view. So we will see, but yeah, that's what I've been up to. And that's about it, guys. So, any questions, leave below, and I'll hook you up with any answers. Peace out.